Welcome back to another video. I thought I would give you guys yet another unproductive update on the car. It has been a long, slow process of trying to get it fixed. It is not currently fixed. Just a quick recap. It mildly overheated on the side of the road because I thought my coolant fan was plugged in, but it was not. I had shut the car off in a very bad choice of desperation. The motor has not run since. That was end of November last fall. It is now mid-February. The car is still not running. The weather has gotten quite nice though. The snow has kind of cleared up. But I've kind of run out of resources. I've run out of ideas and options. I have some planning I'm planning on doing. I was going to jack the car back up. I was going to go back over every single little detail yet again. But a new opportunity has presented itself that I think is well worth pursuing. So King Boss Quad, many of you know him. He's a kind of an integral part of this channel. I've made tons of cool content with him, and we've hung out a lot. So I am planning to ship the car up to him. He is up in the Muskokas, so it's a couple hours away from me, where I'm currently at, which is an hour away from where I currently reside. So I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place. At any rate, he's got a fully climate-controlled shop with a lift. I've got a bunch of friends up there that hopefully will give me a bit of a hand to diagnose and go over it. It's got a new starter, it's got a new head gasket seal, like everything's kind of been put back together, but perhaps with a little bit more time, some climate control and a lift, they can go through the fuses and figure out and see what's going on. I don't know, it's going to be what it's going to be, but this seems to be the best option to kind of get the car back up and running. So I do have a very small request. If you would like to support the channel, it would mean a lot to me if you could go through one of my shorts I've posted in the last couple weeks. There's a fair few of them, and share the one that you find that you like the most. Maybe it was a racing clip, a bonfire clip, me towing my pack out on my scooter. If you find it funny, you find it entertaining, whatever you find it, please share it. Growing the channel is the best way to support and help and get this thing back up and running and get everything in my life kind of back chooching, and that's what I'm working on. I'm really working on diversifying the content in the realm of content that I make and trying to get the channel to grow. So it just mean a ton to me if we could share some content. That is the absolute best way to help me right now. There is merchandise. I've put a ton of time into that as well. Always an option, but if you don't want to spend any money, share a video. It means the world to me. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave. As always.